That's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and that is a 10 by 20 inch canvas. And this is at least going to start out with me thinking that I'm going to make something like a bloom swipe, and I'm not sure where it's going to go. That OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula already had some paint on it. Hopefully it doesn't flake off, because I think it was dry and that was bad of me. So I am not sure with this particular method how heavy of a base layer I want on here, but I really think that if I want to be able to tip, I had better put a fairly copious amount in the middle. So that is what I will do. I will put a copious amount in the middle. And hope for the best. And I don't particularly care for white backgrounds that much, but I think we'll be okay. Let me throw that in the bucket so maybe the paint will come off it. I'm going to use some of my favorite colors as usual. I'm not going to put them down straight, but we know I'm not straight that way anyway. Oh, my gold is plugged. I have a smaller bottle of gold that I have been using, the Fluid Art Golden Iridescent. I'm called to, oh yeah, do I really want to put orange in there? No. This is my Folk Art Neon Purple with Golden Iridescent Pearl Fine added to it. This is a Chrysocolla. I'm going to put that down now. I've got some Peacock from Decor Americana. I really want some orange. I'm trying to restrain myself. It's not working very well. You know what I can use instead? I've got some Decor Americana 24 karat gold with orange in it, which might be okay. Now I'm going to try, like I said, to control myself. And I'm just going to use, I'm going to start out by using a fairly copious amount. And grabbing a scrape dish, which I put someplace I could find, so I couldn't find them temporarily. And we'll see where this goes, because I am really not good at getting rid of beautiful things. I do need a wipe rag, although I can use my Lola Fee silicone mat, and I guess that's what I'll do. I want to dip the side of this card in so bad. I think I'm just going to put some of my paint right out in my little dish and use the side of my card. Scrape it off. This is what I'm getting in my dish so far. Take this edge catcher out of my way so I can wipe off my card more easily. Someday I'm going to figure out what to do with a scrape dish other than covering the edges. But the edges are kind of nice covered too. This may not get tipped. You knew that was coming, didn't you? Boy, I want a different shaped card. And I happen to have a diagonal cut . That I can use. I'm not minding that color combination a bit. I'm still not feeling like tipping. I'm going to use the length of the card again. I don't want to use the rest of the paint that's on that card this time. I've only got a couple more places I could pull, and I'm not even sure I want to do that. I could definitely do that though. Why would I tip this? I don't know. Because I can? I don't want to. I think I want to put a little bit of paint because I have it left. Right there. Clean up that messy spot. You know what? I'm good. I lied about tipping. Oh gosh, when am I ever going to tip? I did use up all the paint I put out, which I'm always pleased about. I do have paint in my saucer that I can cover my edges with, which is pretty cool. If I can't, that's okay too. So I love you guys. This is fast. I'm still gonna have to do another one. Maybe I'll do it with the colors in the dish. Maybe I won't. The torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. My paint pouring recipes underneath. Show more underneath the video in the description about halfway down. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. I appreciate your help in watching them longer. Watching when the notifications come out. Maybe watching a commercial or two. I want something right there. I want more purple right there. I'm going to have to do something about that. If I want more purple there, I'm going to have to put it there. Come on out. Okay, so now I need a little tiny card, or why don't I just use a spatula? Yep, I like that. I might do it again somewhere else too. Okay, so where else? I've got this black paint. And I'm not minding adding a few accent colors. I don't have a whole lot of it either. Just a little bit. I see no reason why not to use it up. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Doesn't mean I won't mess with it, but I'm happy with it. Can't trust me not to mess with things. So what else should I tell you? I should tell you I have a Linktree link. That's the first blue link under the video. And if you are interested, my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors. Appreciation Group is for students. Fans and Collectors has albums of the YouTube wet and dry artworks. And Totes and More will take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America. I want to tell you that I have a monthly drawing. I'm going to zoom all the way in. Yeah, baby. And if you want to get into it, all that's required is a donation. And you can use PayPal or Patreon, and the icons are on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. Or the links are on the link tree. I like this. It's a little unusual, which is good. I like things that are not the same. It makes me want to do a whole lot more. It's got great energy. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check my Amazon link out below the link tree too also. You can find my 2 books there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. If you're looking for more videos or you have a question, please ask me. I'll hook you up with a link. Or you can look for the playlists. All playlists, created playlists by going to my channel. And you will find lists of 19 lists of 100 and one being populated to the 20th list and topic and genre. In any case, my email address, should anyone ever be interested in purchasing an artwork, is right below the link tree. And if you contact me there, I can also give you information if you're interested in a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I want to zoom in again. And I will see you guys anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.